Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for third grade. We're on number 26. So let's get started with our word form. 20. Whoops. Messed up. So I just put a line through it. No worries. 26. You can have a hyphen or not having a hyphen. Since it ends with a 6, it is even. And let's move on. Factors. So 126, 1 times 26 equals 26. Any number times 1 is itself. 2 goes in because it is even. 2 goes in 13 times. 2 13s. If I added 13 plus 13, I would get 26. So 2 13s. 3 does not go in because 3 goes into 24 and then 27. 4 doesn't go in, goes into 24, then 28. 5 doesn't go in because it's 25 and 30. 6 does not go in, 24, then 30. 7 doesn't, 28 or 21 and 28. And so on, we are done. We're going to leave it right there. We can go on and on. Let's go with addition. So we only have 1 times 26 and 2 times 13. And because there's more than just this factor pair, if there's more than 1 times itself, then it is not prime. All right, let's do some addition here. I'm going to remove some of my cards so you can see everything. Addition, 26, plus 1 equals, move that up, 27. 26 plus 2 equals 28. 26 plus 3 equals 29. 26 plus 4 equals 30. And hopefully you're just checking this. You should have done all this work before we arrived at the video. 26 plus 5 equals 31. And however you did your addition, you might have stacked it. That's fine. Just check your answers. 26 plus 6 equals 32. 26 plus 7 equals 33. And always, you can see where 6 plus 7 is always going to equal 13. So we're going to have that 3 in the ones place. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we're going to have the 2 in the ones place. And so on. You can see how that pattern takes place here. 26 plus 8 is 34. 26 plus 9 equals 35. 6 plus 9 is 15. 26 plus 10 equals 36. So there's nothing being added to the 6, but 1 is being added to the 2. All right, let's go into subtraction. We're going to do our multiplication backwards. So we're going to look at the 36 first, and we're going to subtract 26 from it. And if we look down here, 10 made 36 with 26. So this would equal 10 left if we took the 26 away. 35 minus 26 equals 9. And we can see that down here because 26 plus 9 equals 35. So 35 minus 26 equals 9. 34 minus 26 equals 8. 33 minus 26 equals 7. 32 minus 26 equals 6. 31 minus 26 equals 5. 30 minus 26 equals 4. 29 minus 26 equals 3. 28 minus 26 equals 2. And 27 minus 26 equals 1. All right, let's move on to multiplication. Yesterday, last number 25, we kind of worked it around money, thinking about the quarters, but this is a little different today. So we're going to do our multiplication stacking. You could have done it any way you'd like, multiplying or adding to get your multiplication. It's up to you. Do what makes sense to you. So 26 times 1 is 26. And then we're going to come over here and write 26 times 2. Now, if you did not do it this way, turn your paper over and follow along with me, writing it down so that you get into the motion of multiplication. So 2 times 6 is 12. We drop the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 52. 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. We drop the 8, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 78. 26 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So our answer is 4 26s is 104. 26 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Drop the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So 5 26s is 130. And we're going to come down here, 26 times 6. 26. 6 times 6 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Let's move on to 26 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Drop the 2, carry the 4. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. Then we have 26 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Drop the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So 8 times 26 is 208. Let's go to times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Drop the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 5 is 23. So 234. And then we can go sideways on this one. 26 times 10 equals 26 with the 0, which is 260. All right, hopefully you followed along, check your answers, and let's move on to our measurement for today, which is linear measurement in standard form is inches, feet, and yards. So let's try that out. Today, our number is 26, so 26 inches. And we're going to put this into a fraction form to get our feet. Fractions are division, believe it or not. So we have 26 over, it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to break this down into 12s to get how many feet we can get out of that. So we have 12 twelfths plus 12 twelfths is 24. And then that would be 2 more twelfths. So we can add these up. 2 plus 12 is 26. So we have 2 whole feet out of that. So our 2 is going to be as big as a fraction, and 2 twelfths feet. So 26 inches is the same as 2 and 2 twelfths of a foot. And it takes 36 inches to make a yard. So we just have part of a yard, 36 of a yard. And we are done with our standard form of linear measurement. Let's go on to our metric form, centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So hopefully you wrote these words on your paper, and we're going to say 26 centimeters equals, well, we know it takes 10 decimeters, or I'm sorry, 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to put it in a fraction form again. And remember, the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. And if the top number is bigger than the bottom number, that's called improper fraction. And it's just little terms I'm throwing out there, so we keep getting a little file built on that. So we have 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10. That's 20 so far. We still have 6 more, so we put that over 10. And so we know we have 2 whole decimeters and 6/10 decimeter. All right, so 26 centimeters is the same as 2 6/10 decimeters. And that is the same as 26 out of 100 meters. So 26 hundredths of a meter. So there we have it, the number 26 for today. Hopefully you followed along, made some corrections, or just admired your wonderful work. Have a great day. See you for 27 the next time we meet.